What's up guys? So in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the smart watch right here. So guys, as you can basically see, this is the watch that come inside. So this is the packaging. So we have a little card right here. We have the watch looking pretty neat, as you guys can basically see this watch right here. So let's see what else inside this box. Right here we have a USB cable, as you can see right here. And right here we have a user manual. So now we're going to look at right now on the watch itself. So as you can see, function button, long press to turn on. So we're going to tear off this plastic right here. As you can see, look pretty neat. So that's long press right now, turn it on. So it's booting up right now. So you can download the app right guys on the Google Play Store or your App Store to connect it to the watch right here. You can basically scan this code. It should bring me straight to the store. Alright guys, so basically it has finished down right now. I'm going to open the app. As you can see, I'm going to allow. Alright, I'm going to connect now via Bluetooth. Allow. So these are all the things that we can turn on to monitor. And the app right here, which is basically health app. So we can turn on all if you want to track everything right here. So all right there. And then we can put allow. So you can see, so we can start use it, or we can log in if you have an account. So we're gonna start use. We can agree. So we're gonna search now for the device right here, which is the watch. So we're gonna connect it to this device right here, as you can see. So we're gonna basically pair it. As you can see guys, we are successfully connect right here with our phone, so we can monitor everything from our phone, from our health data. As you can see, we can monitor our steps and all those things, our sleep, our heart rate, and all those things like oxygen level and those things. So on the watch right here, this is the face that is on the watch right now guys. So we're gonna just go into some more details of this watch right here. As you can see the activity, the phone call you can make on this right here, Alexa working, workout records, heart rate, oxygen, stress, sleep, breath rate, clock. So cycle tracking, music, camera, find my phone, and settings. So those things that you can basically go through. So when you swipe to the left, you can see more details right there. Call history, contacts. Right, once you connect to your phone, you can basically dial if you want to call someone on this, which is really great. You can also play music, pause, play music, volume, skip tracks when you have music connect to your phone. Also we can see the weather from this device right here, a lot of things that we can do. So as you can see, and we can see more of a menu right here, more activity, and we can see our face. So when you step to this section, you basically go back. So let me bring down the screen. You can see our notification panel, so we can control the brightness. As you can see right there, you can see the battery percentage. We can rise to wake, can have flashlight, alarms, and those things right here, which is really great. Swipe up, you can see notification of message that come into your phone. Alright guys, so basically we can change our watch face by holding down on the watch face like so. Just press on it. Once you press on it, we can swipe across to see different faces that we can basically choose from. As you can see right here, anyone of your liking, you can basically choose on it right here. So guys, on the app we can see more different faces that we can choose from. When you go right here, we can download more. Once you're connected to the internet, we have a lot of different faces that we can choose from right here, which is a great option. So this is where we basically charge it. We have the charger right here. We can stop this part right here, stick this on right here, and plug this into our power supply, which basically charge it device right here. So as you can see guys, the watch is tucked on right on my hand right there. It's looking very neat. As you can basically see, I love that the band option right here, you can push inside. This does not hang out on the outside right here. This is really great. I love the band design. I love how it basically feel, the material, which is really great. I'm loving this guys, really great, and I love how this basically looks. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful. As always, see you guys in my next video. Peace out.